Understanding Spread Mulch, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, spread mulch. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English vocabulary, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively. Let's dive in. Spread mulch refers to the action of distributing mulch over the surface of soil. But what is mulch? Mulch is a layer of material, often organic, like leaves, straw, or bark, that is applied to the top of soil. Why do people spread mulch? There are several reasons: to retain soil moisture, to regulate soil temperature, to prevent weed growth, to improve soil fertility and health. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use it in a sentence. I need to spread mulch in my garden to protect the plants. Every spring, we spread mulch around the trees in our backyard. Notice how the phrase is often used in the context of gardening or landscaping. In this section, we would show images or a short clip demonstrating someone spreading mulch. This visual aid helps in understanding the practical application of the phrase. Mulching. This is the gerund form, used as a noun or adjective. E.g., mulching is important for plant health. Mulcher, a tool or machine used for spreading mulch. Mulched area, an area where mulch has been applied. Understanding these variations enhances your vocabulary around the topic of gardening. We hope this video has shed light on what spread mulch means and how you can use it in everyday conversation, especially if you're interested in gardening. Remember, learning English can be fun and practical. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.